How's everybody doing tonight? All right, what's going on? Welcome to the Hodling Fud Crypto. My name is Rod. If you're new here, I need you guys to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and like up the video so I know that you guys like these things happening. It's been a pretty good day on the market today. Everything's kind of jumping around. You know, this morning everything was high, then midday everything was low, but it looks like things are recovering. So let's get into a little bit of a market recap for today. So today's global market cap is $1.9 trillion. It's just up slightly from yesterday, but there's a lot of money still coming in the market. So that's definitely a good sign. Sorry, I got to switch this around so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Right now you're just looking at me and that nice little logo. Yeah, that guy over here, backwards. We got that figured out this week. Big shout out to my boy Marco, so appreciate that. But let's get back into the market. Sorry guys, I got distracted there. So we've got the top 10. We got Bitcoin in at number 1 with a $1.1 trillion market cap. The price of Bitcoin has been north of 59,000 for most of the day. And then midday, we saw it come down to 58.6 and kind of staying around this area, 58.6, 58.9. Still got a couple of days this week for this to push that 65,000, but let's wait and see what it does. The Bitcoin dominance is going down. It's at 58%, so we are definitely pushing into an alt season. So make sure you guys are patient and find the ones you're looking for, but don't be just jumping in and out of stuff trying to catch the wave either, guys. So in at number 2 right now is Ethereum. Ethereum is on a great run this week, up 23.5%. Ethereum is now at 1967 with a market cap of $227 billion. Binance Coin is starting to really pump hard now. It's up 17% today. Most of that is from dinner time on. It's at $3.55 per coin. I believe it was about 4:30 this afternoon. I was looking at this and it was at 3:03. So Binance Coin is pushing hard. Its market cap is $52 billion. Number 4 is Tether. It's stable at $40 billion market cap. Number 5 is Cardinal. Up to $38 billion in market capitalization at $1.19. Cardano is still stacking in at that resistance number, moving sideways at that 119, 120. We're in full decentralization now for Cardano. We're really expecting this thing to start popping here. It's still up 7% this week, so let's hope this weekend's a big weekend for it. Number 6 is Polkadot. Polkadot has on a tear this week. It's up to $37. It was as high as $38.50 or $38.70 this morning. Its market cap is $34 billion. Number 7 is XRP. XRP is down to a $26 billion market cap. It's at 58 cents. It's still hanging around, guys. I don't know why we can't get rid of it, but let's wait and see. There's a lot of movement coming down now through this 8 through 12 spots now. So taking a look at number 8, it is Uniswap at $28.83 per coin and a market cap of $15 billion. Number 9 is Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin is still, well, it's up from the 187. It's at 203. It's up 18.5% this week. It's pushed theta down. Earlier today, though, or yesterday, Filecoin was up here. So there has been a lot of fluctuation. Like I said, this 8, 9, 10 spot. Well, mostly 9, 10, 11, 12, sorry. But watch this. This is going to be an interesting little spot down here for all these things to start flipping around, okay? Chainlink was up over $30 today. It's in at the 10 spot. Its market cap is $12.5 billion. I like this project. I like where it's going to go. I really hope that these things start pushing through on alt season. 11 and 12, we've got Filecoin and Theta respectively. Filecoin at 192 and Theta at 1113. They're both in that $11 billion market cap. And honestly, like, this is just kicking off. Like, I can't say enough good things about Theta. I like where Theta's project is heading. But definitely some correction in price. It may be a really good entry point to get into that. Like this video if you guys want to see me do a video on Theta. We can get some information out there on Theta, see what that program's all about. Also, we threw out 2 new videos today, new format. Tried something different. Quick, dirty videos about a couple of coins. Dogecoin was a pretty popular request. I had a couple people ask for it. Got it together in a good 3.5-minute video. So take a look at that one. As well as we did BAT tokens. So 2 great projects. Well, 1 great project and 1 meme coin. But anyways, let me know if you guys like that content. Head on over to those videos, like them up as well. So we've taken a quick look through here. Let's see what today's biggest winner is. We got Helium up 28%, and EOS is 13.27%. Sidecoin making a run again. Might have to start looking into that one a little bit more. And then Dogecoin was pumping pretty hard this morning. We'll cover why. This is what I keep telling you guys. Watch the news, because the news can start pushing coins up. Mr. Musk has a pretty good way of pushing coins around. So let's take a look at the biggest winners for the last 7 days. Holo coin still pushing up, reign supreme there. We're doing well with that one. We're having fun with it. BitTorrent down here at 67% for the week. So we got Holo, Filecoin at 104, Helium at 89, Nervos again at 81, and Thorchain at 73. And then BitTorrent, TRX is pumping again. It's lost a little bit of leeway today, but it's setting itself up for a nice little run still as well. All right, so those are the biggest wins and losses. Let's get into some news. We've got Morgan Stanley adds Bitcoin exposure to 12 investment funds. Bitcoin exposure has been added to the end of other securities and investment strategies sections for a dozen investment funds. The United States investment bank Morgan Stanley has updated the prospectus of several institutional funds to reflect potential exposure to Bitcoin through grayscale and cash settlement futures, highlighted once again to the rapid uptake of digital assets by major investment firms. Big news, still bullish. Bitcoin's still going to run, guys. It's still going to have those pumps this year. Every institution's trying to get money into it. Here we go. To the literal moon, Elon Musk's SpaceX tweet gives Dogecoin a 35% liftoff. Right on cue for April Fool's Day, Musk promises to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. But for hodlers, the resulting gains were anything but a joke. So you can see it right here this morning. He makes the comment and boom, just shoots straight up to 7 cents. In my video on Dogecoin, I said that I'd like to see it break through the 5.5 cent mark, and then at 6 cents start to stock some support, and it has settled back down to that 6 cent mark. So keep an eye on it. If it can keep gaining the support there at the 6 cents, it might be poised to do another one of these and take off for a little while yet, and not just have a 2 cent pump. But great little pump today, like I said, 35%. You know, for these things to 2x, we're not talking about a whole lot of money. It has to make it to 11 cents. So, pretty cool. Started out as a joke, just kind of like the coin again, but because there is no such thing as a literal cryptocurrency, guys. It's all numbers and sequences. So, and then the last bit of news that I want to cover off, altcoins move to an all-time high while Bitcoin struggles below 60K. So it just says, yeah, Bitcoin price is pinned below 60,000 again. So that's that resistance is trying to break through. They're saying that the new support somewhere around that 58.5, but I see it'll test a little bit lower yet if it doesn't get through this 60K soon. And it's just saying it's not stopping Thorchain, Archaeopolis, and Helium for chasing all-time highs. This is the kickoff to alt season, guys. It's going to be a great little run here. So I'm really excited and looking forward to where this is going to go. So if anybody's got... Oh, sorry, I hit the wrong button there. If anybody's got any questions, make sure you guys throw them in the chat. I'll be keeping an eye on it, and we can go from there. But I wanted to show you guys the quick update on here. I got to get some pricing to these guys so you can see where they're at. But we're up $100 right now, so we did 25% in less than a week on the portfolio. So we are, you know, we're actually probably quite a bit higher than that, actually, based on MATIC pulling itself up again today. But honestly, we're in a good position. I pulled some of the position out of Holo Chain just because it was up $70. I pulled half of that profit out right now. And looking for another entry point on something else. To be honest, I was going to just shove it into BitTorrent. I think BitTorrent's going to actually rip through this weekend and just take off. I'd like to see BitTorrent hit a penny this weekend. I know I was predicting that last weekend, but guys, this thing is poised to absolutely explode. So that's all I wanted to really cover tonight. We've got some cool things to go through. Like I said, I was really happy that I got the logo put together. I got 2 videos out. Again, shout out to my boy Marco for getting those set up for me so quickly. The logo looks absolutely fantastic. Puts a little bit of renaissance behind why it's the Hodler FUD, guys. And you can't see it on this because it's probably pretty small on your screens, but it's an Ethereum hunter with the Bitcoin eyes shooting a Cardinal bullet. So it's Bitcoin pretty much using Cardano to take out the Ethereum as the Ethereum killer. So that's where the whole play on words came in for me. Hodler FUD again is going back to hodling your fears and not projecting them into the market. But definitely, you know, in this industry or this markets, like I said, you got to buy the rumors and sell the news. But you got to also check your own fears at the door because you don't need to portray that out into the market, especially if it's not just. But decisions can happen on a whim, and you just got to go with it day to day. Just keep seeing what's out there. Keep researching. Look for something that you can get into and go from there. But that's all I got right now planned for tonight. I just wanted to jump on, touch base with everybody, say that I'll probably do a Monday live stream. It's a pretty busy weekend. If I get a chance to throw one up tomorrow, I will. Expect over the course of the 4-day weekend, 4 videos to hit out. I need to see some more comments on what it is you guys want me to cover for my next token video. So that's all I got for right now, guys. This is the video 3 for today. I'm going to keep pushing them out. Appreciate that, Sleepy. I really do like the logo, so we'll keep pushing through and finding stuff. Oh, retracted. She doesn't like it anymore. Or they don't like it. Oh, hold on. I like that. It's hot. It's hot. Right on. Well, if there's any questions, I see we got only 2 viewers on right now, so if anybody's got any questions, I'll take them real quick. If not, we can bounce out of here and start our weekend because it's a 4-day weekend. Well, we got 3 viewers. We got a third person on. I'll probably hold on for a couple of seconds. If anybody wants to shill a coin, we can look at it. We'll go back to the screen share here and actually hit up Dogecoin real quick on the chart, just because that's the video I did today. I still find it showing a pretty good entry here, but let's just go to the moving average. Yeah, so there's the pump, and then now snap back to reality setting in on Dogecoin on the daily. That's what it looks like on the 4 hour. You know, there's that 6 cent mark right there. So we need to really see it open and close a few more times in and around this. It's really kind of showing some stability here right now. We're looking like we might get a cross on the moving average. We might even get a W forming here and just sheer volume. What do we got for volume on this? Yeah, volume's falling out of it. But you can see like right here, so this is how market manipulation happens, guys. Elon Musk talked about Dogecoin on an evening tweet. The price shot up because people were coming to market to buy. A second wave of buyers came through, pushing that price up higher. So Dogecoin, like I said in the video, go and check it out. Kind of right through here. Let's get the line so you guys can see it. That's 6 cents, so we want to start seeing them stack some support across here if we're going to see them take off again. Any indication that this falls back down to where it was, I'm not going to like it, just because I don't want to see it lose its momentum if it's going to actually be a player right now. But anyways, there's where it's kind of heading right now. I want to see this candle wick back up and close above, but we'll see where Dogecoin goes. So do we have any questions in the chat? Appreciate it, Janet. What do you think will happen over the weekend? To be honest, it's April, and April's going to be an absolute crazy month. Over the weekend, I can see, I think we're going to see Ethereum pop this weekend. Probably get 2050 by Sunday. And if it's a really good weekend, we'll get 2100 by Monday. But we'll see. So far, guys, Ethereum's outperformed Bitcoin all year. So honestly, we could see. Do you know anything about ZEC? I do not know anything about ZEC, but we have the avenues. We can look at it right now on the chart. Is this that Zcash everybody's talking about? Yeah. See if we've got an entry point. It's got a pretty good run up today on the, oh, that's a daily chart. It's been going up for a while. I think if you're not already in this, you've missed it, in my opinion, right now. We're not getting indications to get out of the trades by any means, but you don't ever want to get into the situation where you're buying the high and selling the lows. So what's the all-time high? So the previous 7-day high is 160. Oh, let's just go. Oh, all-time high. Oh, Zcash 4 years ago absolutely killed it in the bull market. So I don't know if we'll get there on this guy here, but I'd have to look at the numbers to see if it supports it. It's still not showing a great buying signal to get into it. So if you've got a position into it, I wouldn't be selling it yet. Let's see what it's showing on the 1 hour. Now the 1 hour is still saying hold. It's not saying get out. We've got a pretty good run up here. Like I said, I'm not getting into it just because I've already missed this pump. But we'll keep an eye on it and see if there's something that maybe comes out of it later on. I don't know. When was this? This is February of this year. It was at $180. So it might run back up to here. The key would be is finding some trends to start looking at, like what's it doing through here. Is it consistent? So zooming in here and seeing if this is something we're entering into. I don't know. There's lots that could happen with this one for sure, but I personally am not seeing a buying signal for me to get into this. If it gets up to here and tests this, and maybe has a slight run back with a correction. I mean, the good thing is we're breaking the resistance we had a few days ago with it. So there's definitely some upside to Zcash, but I am talking in US dollars. Yeah, everything I do is in US dollars, even though I'm Canadian. The market runs on American dollars, so I have tried to think about money as the American overlay that is provided most easily with access to information for us. So all of my portfolios and all that are in American dollars as well. So anything else we can cover? I'll maybe do a video. We'll see if we can do a video on Zcash just to get a little bit of information out about it. Make sure that everybody's staying informed and getting what they need out of it. But if there's any other coins that we're looking for, then let's talk about them over the weekend. Just drop me a comment and we'll go from there. But that's all I got for tonight. Make sure you guys protect yourself. Don't wreck yourself.